Guys, this is to say to gift of the givers. You guys are coming in our area and you are sowing division to say you only gonna give food to the Muslim people. You go like this, can you see her? That is pulling out cameras on us because they're gonna come from a far land. Okay, to disrespect us. Ons het ook arme mensen. My mother does feeding. And when my mother does feeding, say picky uit as een Muslim. Van us Muslims are. Many of these people standing here, not even Islam. They don't even belong to the religion, but they need to sell their soul in order to get food. That's mensen is wat kerk loop, maar hulle moet hulle siele verkoop net om kos te kry. Maar op die einde van die dag weet hulle behoort aan 'n kerk. We are not going to stand for that. Ons is moeg. Exactly. That track of hope. They must also put on their only hope to Islam, only hope to Muslim. That is what they must put on their tracks. Yeah, as you know, one Muslim rather than because why to do it the way they are doing it? Because at the end of the day, if we need to say to every Muslim person, you need to become Christian before we give you food, what are we saying? Mensen moeten wel een ziel verkoop, net om kost te krijgen bij gift of the givers. So als je een Muslim, je moet bij force een Muslim raken. There you have it, guys. This is what they do. This is what they do, gift of the givers. They choose who they must give food. Exactly. Doesn't mention you so yellow, but okay, it's about word